I'm going to show you how a patient resolved her chronic abdominal pain, constipation, fatigue, and joint pain by healing her gut and eliminating the stomach bacteria H. pylori. And if you find this information helpful, please like and subscribe so more people can see this video. My name is Dr. Tom Rofrano from the Natural Medicine Clinic in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, and author of The Free Diet. And I've been blessed to have seen over 100,000 patient visits over the last 38 years, many of whom have gut and thyroid issues. And this patient came in, 39-year-old woman who had digestive symptoms since she was a child. She complained of abdominal pain, constipation, heartburn at times, fatigue, insomnia, dry skin, anxiety, PMS, and joint pain. She also had a miscarriage 5 years earlier, and then it took her 2 more years to get pregnant again. She knew she had H. pylori and had prior treatment, but was unsuccessful. And the standard medical treatment is what they call triple therapy, 2 antibiotics and an acid blocking drug. That has become less effective over the years, so they have gone to sometimes quadruple therapy, so 4 different drugs. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And the success rate varies. This is a very common issue affecting more than 50% of people worldwide and approximately 20% of North Americans. This patient had been on antibiotics multiple times throughout her life, so she wanted to see if she could get rid of it naturally. The first thing I did was comprehensive lab testing to see what other root causes she has. I checked 5 main areas under deficiencies. She had low levels of B12, folate, vitamin C, E, cysteine, and many other below optimal levels, including ferritin, which represents iron. Under toxins, she had high levels of a heavy metal called tungsten. Under infections, besides H. pylori, she had another pathogenic bacteria called Archobacter and other imbalanced bacteria, Candida yeast overgrowth. She had hormonal imbalance, adrenal dysfunction, and estrogen dominance, and lastly, food reactions. She had a very high gluten sensitivity, leaky gut, and other food sensitivities and allergies. Now that we know the root causes, the next step is an anti-inflammatory diet. I call it the Free Diet. It's a diet I came up with years ago when I was dealing with my own autoimmune Hashimoto's thyroid condition, rheumatoid arthritis, IBS, fatigue, skin issues. So I was able to get better, and the diet is not only free of gluten, but gluten, grains, sugar, yeast, dairy, eggs, soy, legumes, nightshades, processed foods, all those foods most commonly responsible for inflammation, gut, thyroid, and other chronic health issues. I'll put a link below for the Free Diet Phase 1 food chart. And as you get better, we add additional foods back in Phase 2 and 3. I'll also put a video at the end of this one that goes into the diet in more detail. And step 3 are the proper supplements. So we start with foundational nutrients like all the functional 5, multi-fish oil, vitamin D with K, magnesium, and probiotic. And then specific gut support supplements, in particular Gastroblast, which has nutrients specifically targeted towards those with H. pylori as it supports their gut health. We use an even more powerful probiotic, a very strong probiotic, GI Mend, yeast defeat, microbalance, and then curcumin, and then nutrients due to her deficiencies, which included ACE, B12 folate, and then glutathione with NAC, and then adrenal and hormone support formulas. She followed the treatment protocol and came in after a month, and her gut symptoms were much better, more energy, less pain, sleeping better through the night. And when we rechecked her at 3 months, her stool test showed the H. pylori was gone, as was the other pathogenic bacteria. And the following things had cleared up: her abdominal pain, constipation, fatigue, insomnia, and joint pain. She used to have aches and pains throughout her entire body, dry skin, anxiety, PMS symptoms. So that's why I test for these underlying root causes, so we can treat the body holistically in all those different areas, get the body and heal the gut, balance the hormones, get the body in an optimized state of health. So if you have chronic digestive or other health issues, if you get the proper testing to find out your root causes and are provided the right solutions, I believe almost anyone can get better. Thanks for joining me today. I'll put the video that goes into the Free Diet here and Free Diet Phase 1 food chart below. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.